Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous videos, we built the Z-axis, X-axis, Y-axis and the extruder. In this video, we will finish the wiring of the motors, extruder and the heat bed. Let's fix the Y-axis and the X-axis together. Tighten the screws. Now screw in the part cooling fan. Put the springs in the bed carriage. Place the heat bed and put in the screws. Zip tie the heat bed wires to the carriage. Now zip tie all the extruder wires together. Screw in the Arduino Mega. Place the RAMs 1.4 with the A4988 stepper motor driver onto the board. Place the X-axis, Y-axis and stops. Place the X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis stepper motors. Place the extruder motor wire. For the heat block, the polarity doesn't matter, but the polarity of the heat bed and the part cooling fan matters. Now place the hot and cooling fan. Place the hot end and heat bed thermistors. I first placed the heat bed wires into the RAM's board, but the transistor could not handle it, so I bought a beefier heat bed transistor. Now let's solder the display on the SD card. Place the display, rotary encoder and the button on the PCB. Solder the pins onto the board. Place the SD card reader. Place the double-sided tape so the pins don't short each other. Solder the wires to the corresponding pins. And connect all the ground and positive pins together. The SD card helps us to use the 3D printer without a connection to the PC. The circuit diagram is given in the description below. Cut the PCB board. In the next and final video, I'll show you the complete printer and tell you how to calibrate it. Thank you for watching.